Okay, so how do you rename dictionary keys in Python? Well, bad news, I actually clickbaited you, and you can't rename them. What you have to do is you have to delete them and re-add them. So I'll show you how to do that. So here's a dictionary that I pre-typed before this video. Just run this, and then we'll just print, the dictionary because we want to. So basically, what we do, well, first step is if you have a really long dictionary, then you probably want to get all the keys and see what you want to rename. So oops. So get keys. So to do that, you just do the name of your dictionary and then you type keys, and then this gives you all the key names. So we have name, course, and your favorite greeting. And then let's say we want to rename this favorite greeting because it's not spelled correctly or whatever. Then what we have to do is we have to delete the key. So to do that, we just do del and get one, and then we type in the key name like this. And then when we print the dictionary, then we'll see it's deleted. So now we have to re-add the key. So to do that, there are two ways, but I'll show you one. So one way is you just re-add it like this, and then you have the key you want to re-add, and then the element to the key. So like this. So if we print the dictionary again, you can see it's added. Yeah, so that's really how you rename it. I mean, the second method to re-add the key is to do use the update method. So to do that, you do this, and then you oh wait, let's delete this again first. So let's just delete this, and then let's re-add the key. Okay, good. Oh, oops. And then the element name. We just run this, and then we just, yeah, so that's how you re-add it. So yeah, that's how you rename a key. You can't rename it. You have to delete the key and re-add the key, which is really annoying. But that's how you do it. If your dictionary is super, super large and you need to retrieve a dictionary value, then all you do is you do I think it's this. Yeah, so you can get all the values to corresponding all the values, and then you can find out the value that corresponds to the key, and then you can rename the key that way by just deleting the key and re-adding it. All right, thanks for watching, guys. See you later.